How to check the safety thermostat for the coffee and steam boiler in a VIP line. First of all, turn off the machine and remove the power cord. After that, we have to remove the top cover. In the 81 and 91 we have only 2 screws here, and this is an Elizabeth model, and we have 3 screws like this. Is a Torx T20 screwdriver. I remove the first, the second and the third, and I remove the top cover. Now, as we can see, we have one safety thermostat here. Is the coffee safety thermostat here. In some Elizabeth we have another thermostat here in this position, in this hole here, and we have here in the steam boiler we have 2 safety thermostat. We have to push down this part, the part in the middle. We have to push down with maximum 0.5 kilos of energy. If the safety thermostat is activated, when I press down with the screwdriver, I have to hear one click. Okay, this is a safety thermostat. Okay, as we can see, we have some space here, and when you have this space, the heating element does not working. To activate the safety thermostat, we have to push down this and hear the noise. Tick. Now the safety thermostat works. Practically, when the safety thermostat reach 165 degrees, practically interview. Tick. As we can see now, the safety thermostat reached 165 degrees, and the security cut the power to the heating element. To activate the safety thermostat again, we have to push down this. I have to wait some moment because tick, now it works again. Then please, when the machine is cold, we have to check the coffee boiler. We have to push down this. Then to check the steam boiler, we have to push down this and the other, because in this case it's twice.